The Ice Age, 2.58 million to 11,700 years ago, saw vast glacial cycles. Early humans emerged, with Homo sapiens appearing around 300,000 years ago. The last glacial maximum, 20,000 years ago, ended 11,700 years ago.
Long before modern cities, technology, and civilization, our planet went through a time of extreme cold. A time when massive sheets of ice covered the land, when giant animals roamed frozen plains, and when early humans struggled to survive. This period in Earth's history is known as the Ice Age. An ice age is not a single moment in time. It is a long period when global temperatures drop, causing large areas of the Earth to be covered by glaciers and ice sheets. Throughout Earth's history, there have been several ice ages, but the most famous one is the Pleistocene Ice Age. The Pleistocene Ice Age began about 2.6 million years ago and ended around 11,700 years ago. During this time, Earth experienced repeated cycles of extreme cold and warmer periods called interglacials. When temperatures dropped, glaciers expanded. When temperatures rose, the ice slowly melted. At the height of the Ice Age, nearly one-third of Earth's land surface was covered in ice. Huge glaciers stretched across North America, Europe, and Asia. Sea levels were much lower than today because so much water was frozen into ice. Land bridges formed, connecting continents and allowing animals and humans to migrate. Life during the Ice Age was harsh and unforgiving. Temperatures were far colder than today. Strong winds swept across frozen landscapes, and food was often scarce. Yet, life did not disappear. Instead, it adapted. Some of the most famous animals of the Ice Age were megafauna, meaning large animals. These included woolly mammoths, saber-toothed tigers, giant ground sloths, and woolly rhinoceroses. Many of these animals had thick fur, layers of fat, and large bodies that helped them survive the freezing temperatures. Early humans also lived during the Ice Age. They faced enormous challenges but showed incredible intelligence and adaptability. Humans learned to make fire, which provided warmth, protection, and a way to cook food. They created tools from stone and bone to hunt animals and prepare food. To stay warm, Ice Age humans wore clothing made from animal skins and fur. They lived in caves, temporary shelters, or huts built from wood, bones, and hides. Living in groups was essential for survival. Together, humans hunted large animals, shared food, and protected one another from predators. Art and culture also developed during this time. Cave paintings found in places like Lascaux in France show animals, hunting scenes, and symbols. These paintings suggest that Ice Age humans were not only survivors, but also thinkers, artists, and storytellers. Over time, Earth's climate began to change. Gradually, temperatures increased, and glaciers started to melt. This marked the end of the last Ice Age. As ice melted, sea levels rose, flooding land bridges and reshaping coastlines. The warming climate had a major impact on life. Many large Ice Age animals became extinct, possibly due to climate change, human hunting, or a combination of both. However, humans adapted once again. They began farming, domesticating animals, and settling in permanent communities. The end of the Ice Age laid the foundation for modern civilization. Agriculture allowed populations to grow, villages became cities, human history entered a new chapter. Today, the Ice Age reminds us of the powerful forces that shape our planet. It shows how climate change can transform Earth over thousands of years. It also tells a story of survival, adaptation, and human resilience. The Ice Age was not just a frozen past. It was a defining era that shaped the world we live in today.